How to fix Steam error missing file privileges. Let's get started. Launch your Steam app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. The very first thing you want to do is click on the bottom of your screen. Different options will appear. Head towards the option of Task Manager. Click on it. Now over here you want to find different sections. Head towards the section of Processes. Under that you will find the option of Steam. Once you find it, click on it and then head towards this option of End Tags. After you do that, at the bottom left corner you will find this search box. Over there type in the app name Steam. Once app appears, click on it. Then select the option Run as Administrator. Click on it. After you apply the solution, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, close this. Now at the top left corner you can find this option of Steam. Click on it. Different options will appear. Head towards the option of Settings. Open it. Now over here you're gonna find different options. Head towards the option of Storage. Click on it. Now click on these three dots. With that, different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of Repair Library or Folder. And then head towards the option of Downloads. At the very top you'll find the option of Download Reason. Click on it and from here select any of the reason. Likewise, scrolling down you will find the option of Clear Download Cache. You have to click on the option of Clear Cache. After you clear cache, head back. Now head towards this section of Library. At the left corner you're gonna find different app options. Head towards any of the app, double click on it. You will get different options. Now go ahead and click on the option of Properties, open it. Now in this page you will be able to find the option of Local Files, click on it. Under that you will find the option of Verify Integrity of Game Files, click on that option. Once you do that, you will be good to go. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Steam error missing files privileges. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.